Hello guys from my street Iacopelli, and take a look of this pizza. Guys, this pizza was cooked in this, you have to watch because today I'm going to show you another next level pizza oven. Guys, yes, the oven right here, this one really surprised me. You have to watch this video how this pizza oven cook. I'm gonna go ahead and review this pizza oven with one pizza. I'm gonna give a hard time with two pizza, and also a special secret. You have to watch until the end. Go ahead, smash the like, help me reach 1 million subscribers. Go ahead and share down there below. It's totally free. Guys, enjoy this unboxing review. Let's start from the beginning. There we go, and finally we are here. Sorry guys, you know, the box just got a little bit wet because the rain. So I say I'm gonna do it right now because this box I received it directly from Italy to United States of America. So here today I'm going to show you unboxing and review made in Italy, available in United States of America. Goal! Voila! And voila! Got the look already. Can't wait to see what's inside. First thing here, we find of course, the regulator for the gas. And voila! This is nothing. I think it's just the pizza oven here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's see. Whoa! This is the most light pizza oven I ever see. Super light. Whoa. Let's see. 1, 2. Joking. It's super light, but I know why, because all the stones are separate. My God, can't wait to see. It's beautiful. It's the look, it's amazing. Definitely I can fit 2 pizzas. I think we are going to have a nice challenge here. So we got 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece. Now that's the stone. 4 piece, 5 piece. That's everything in the box. Let's move this around, and now let's see what's inside the boxes. Voila. So the first thing that we have here is the regulator for the gas option. We got a couple of screws here. This is gonna be interesting. Aha, I knew it, We got the biscotto stone. Actually, this is the best stone to cook the pizza. This material, contains the heat perfect and never gonna burn the pizza. Ooh. And the other thing of this stone is that very hard to break. So that's another point. Oh, those are the foot of that's what the 4 screws here. That's it. It's pretty simple. That's it, pretty much it. This box. So let's go ahead and let's build it. And it doesn't come with any equipment. So I see. So it's no table to put the pizza on. You can put a baby right. I can put my baby Walter right now, 4 months old. You know how he's gonna sleep here. Joking aside, there's no peels. I think everything. Well, you can buy all this apart, and this is just the pizza oven. So this is gonna be a little bit of challenge. You're gonna lift up both together and be careful your fingers. I never done this before, and then let it go down gently. Boom! Voila! We got a perfect sides. It's gonna be hard to take it out, so make sure you put it together. Perfect. Okay, the last piece of the puzzle. High flame, low flame. High flame, low flame. We'll see how it goes. Gonna take off the plastic, otherwise we're gonna burn everything here. It's gonna be a mess. Nice, good looking. So I did notice that this oven, it didn't come out with gas, the plug-in. It comes from Italy, and maybe that's the reason why they didn't send it to me. Now, by now, probably they put this in. They include this in the oven. Yeah, it's pretty simple to build and everything. So let's go ahead. Let's plug this in and let's see how it goes. This one works with a regular propane can, and let's start to play. Okay, it does have the click, tick tick. So we have to use a lighter. Voila! There we go. Oh. So let's wait a couple of seconds to warm up, to wait. There we go. It holds it. I see it's a slow flame, high flame. Slow flame, high flame. So it got 2 speed of flame, which is good. I noticed that, of course, it does again do the click, tick, tick to fire up. So you have to have a lighter. And the other thing is the switch is not in the front, which is in the back. But different from others is that, I want to show you, you can risk to get burned to go all the way in the back. But this one is you can stay in the front and easily watch, and you can fix the flame. So it's not super hard to reach, which is okay, it's good. So now I'm gonna wait, set up the timer, exactly 1 hour on the clock. I'm gonna see how long it's gonna take, if this hour is gonna be enough to warm up the bottom, and then in the meantime I'm gonna go ahead and get ready with ingredients and everything, and then we're gonna go ahead and cook the pizza. So go ahead, smash the like, subscribe down there below. Also, all the information about this pizza party, the big one, is gonna be all under in description. pizzapartyshop.com. They are available in the United States, believe it or not. Share this video, it's totally free. Let's reach this 1 million subscribers. So let's get ready. Okay guys, let's go ahead and let's get the measurement, how big it is, how tall it is, and everything you need to know about this pizza oven. So let's see. So the inside is gonna be, I'm gonna put it in centimeter, but guys, in centimeter is more precise. Now let's see the sides, the inside, voila. Easily you can fit 2 pizzas. So now let's go ahead and let's see how wide is it. Voila. And now let's see how tall it is. Voila. Now that you have all the measurements, guys, you know how to and where to put this pizza oven. Here we go, guys. Everything is ready. I gotta move on because I have to go drop off my daughter to school exactly in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna move on and make the first pizza and see how the pizza looks. Got 27 minutes out. Look at this. 27 minutes. So let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and let's see the temperature inside the oven. It's 700 Fahrenheit. So it's perfect to make the first pizza. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the first pizza live. So I'm not gonna edit the time here. After I make the first pizza, I'm gonna go ahead and make the second pizza. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and make 2 pizzas in the same time. So stay put. Oh my god, look at look of this dough. Guys, this is the pizza dough. Hopefully you can see. We got 10 minutes. The oven has been warmed up for 35 minutes. It's 12 o'clock. Let's see how long it's gonna take and how will be the first pizza ever in this oven. Voila, oh my gosh. Voila, in the flour a couple of times. Let's go ahead and let's stretch. The dough is about 260 grams. Super strong. Voila, a little bit of flour on the bottom. We're gonna make the classic cheese pizza. Gonna go ahead and put some nice tomato sauce. There we go. Parmesan cheese. Little bit of basil under, just like that, and fresh mozzarella. Voila. Takes only 10 seconds to make the pizza, and then a little bit of extra virgin on top. Voila. The pizza is ready to go in the oven. Pinch it and then put it under the peel. Voila. I'm gonna make a nice 12 inches pizza, a big one, because we have space. That's the good thing of this pizza oven. Let's go ahead. I'm excited to see how long it's gonna take. Voila, so it's time. Let's go ahead. I'm not gonna put it on the left side because of course it's gonna burn. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the left side. So, oh, let's see how long it's gonna take to cook the pizza. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the max flame because it was low. So there we go. Actually, it was hot. So let's see how long it's gonna cook this pizza. And most importantly, let's see how it will cook. Let's see the bottom. Guys, 3, 2, 1, up a little bit, and the pizza, boom! It's lovely, ready. I mean, take a look of this pizza. Let me show you the bottom, how it looks. So, this is the pizza, how it looks. Take a look, it's perfect, cook the top, the bottom, and now let's see the bottom. Take a look at the bottom. take a look of the bottom, guys. It's totally, really perfection. Now let's go ahead, before we taste, let's go ahead and let's see how this pizza oven will cook 2 pizzas in the same time. Let's see how long it's gonna take. But first of all, it's important to get the flame at the max temperature. So let's go ahead. Oh, what happened? Yeah, that's it. High temperature right there. Yeah, like that. So high and small. High. Let's put it high. We're gonna keep it there for about, it's been only 17 minutes that this pizza oven was hot, warm up, and now in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and drop off my daughter really quick, and then I'm ready to make the second one. There we go. Just left my daughter to school, and now it's time to go ahead and make the 2 pizzas. And it's been like exactly an hour right now. Let's see the temperature of the oven. It says 800 and 760 from the other side. So it is perfect to make the pizza. I'm gonna go ahead right now and make 2 pizzas, but of course for you guys I have something new, which is I'm gonna show you how to make the panzerotto barese. It's a typical small calzone from Bari, so it's different. It's not a real calzone, but it's a panzerotto. It's typical in Bari, my city. So I'm gonna show you also how to make it. You see these bubbles right there? Just pop it, otherwise they're gonna get burned. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna make 2 12-inch pizza. This one, and see how long and how this oven will cook these 2 pizzas. Put it on the side. The oven, the pizzas are getting a little bit too thick. So pay attention to this. This is the panzerotto. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the dough in half. That's it. I didn't throw it away. I have it in the box. Don't worry about. So let's go ahead and let's make this panzerotto. Panzerotto is made with no crust. So try to take off all the crust from everywhere and try to stretch it all in the same level. Otherwise, we're gonna make a hole. So the dough for the panzerotto is a little bit is about 120 grams. So this is how. Let's make first the pizzas, okay? This way we don't get confused. Voila. 1, 2. Let's make a classic cheese pizza. That's it. Then Parmesan cheese everywhere. Little bit of basil. Little bit of basil. And now let's make the panzerotto before putting the cheese, okay? So this is how you do it. You put pomodoro, mozzarella, a lot of Parmesan cheese, and a scoop of tomato sauce in the center, right there. A little bit more. Voila. Now, dry out your hands, and let's close it like a calzone. So try to put everything in between, and now pinch it, pinch it, pinch it, and this is the classic panzerotto barese. So that's how you're gonna do it. Close it, turn around, and bang it again. Little bit of flour, and turn around, and this is the size of the calzone. So the panzerotto. A little bit of tomato on top, without making the hole. Right there. This is the panzerotto. So let's go ahead and let's finish up these 2 pizzas. Little bit of mozzarella, little bit of mozzarella. And let's put everything in the oven. That's in the oven. Let's see how much space we have. So we're gonna place one right there. Let's place the second one in the center. Voila. Finish. Let's go ahead and let's place the calzone in the center. Voila. Now let's see how long everything is gonna be cooked. So I'm gonna lower down the flame a little bit so we give it the time. Of course, when you have mold the 2 pizzas inside the oven, you have to have a little base in the front to be able to take it out and get it in whenever the pizza is ready. So let's go ahead and let's check out the bottom. Outstanding, guys. It's been an hour on the clock, and like you can see, this stone, the biscotto, is holding the temperature really good. So what we're gonna do here is this. Once we are cooking 2 pizzas, we also have extra space right there, extra space there. So that's amazing, the size of this pizza oven. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna turn it. So I'm gonna place this outside and move this one on the left side and let's put back this one, turn it, because the flame is only one side. I'm gonna cook it on that side. So, let's go ahead and let's turn also the panzerotto. Voila. I move it a little bit. Now we can raise a little bit the flame. But I'm not gonna edit it the time. Everything is gonna be live. Here we go. Boom! First pizza, it's perfectly done. Of course, I'm gonna give you the close-up in a little bit. The second pizza, boom! It's perfectly done. Now let's put the panzerotto a little bit inside because it was too much outside. It didn't cook properly yet. But we're gonna give it the time. Listen to this. That's it. That's what I'm talking about. Soft and crunchy in the same time. The panzerotto is about to be ready. Panzerotto is about to be ready. And the panzerotto is well done. So I'm gonna put this on the side right there. This way. I think, whoa. Whoa. 3, 2, 1, and the panzerotto. Boom! It's lovely done. Done. So let me show you those pizzas. Take a look, guys. Take a look. This is the regular pizza, the panzerotto, the other pizza. But now let me go ahead and show you the bottom too, how it looks. I'm gonna tell you also what I think of this pizza oven. Pizzas right here, how they look like. So let's see the bottom. Let's check it out. See, it's perfectly done. The panzerotto. Take a look, beautiful. And now let's see this other pizza right here. Voila, voila. Nothing burned. I mean, judge these pizzas because they come out good. So this is the panzerotto. That's how we eat the panzerotto, like that. So simply done. So after all, I'm gonna give this pizza oven a nice 8.5 out of 10 because the pizza was cooking perfectly, easy, super easy to control because that's the goal. So if you are new in this pizza game, this oven it's super easy. It's good for you to control because the stone on the bottom is super quality. The high heat, I heat it up for 20 minutes and the pizza come out perfect. I heat it up for 1 hour and the pizza cooked perfectly. I mean, it didn't burn at all because again, this stone helps to retain the heat. Perfectly done. So pizza party, well done for this pizza oven. Unfortunately, the oven doesn't come with the utensils or any extra. Doesn't have the door, but I guess you don't really need it. The door. The pizza pills you can buy this separate, but for the price of this oven, go ahead check it out. Link in the description. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this for my caterings because it works good. See, I can put my hands. It's a little bit hot, not super hot. That means there's the insulation inside. It's perfectly well made. Thank you so much, Pizza Party, for this made in Italy oven. And guys, it's available in the United States. If you have any question, please comment below. And now, let me know if I'm gonna go ahead and compare this oven with the Gosne or with the Uni or with another oven. Let me know in the comment. I wanna know. And guys, smash the like. Go ahead, subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, guys. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and eat the pizza. Amazing. Ciao. It was cooked properly. Amazing.